Ali, Mark Ferrier, Zahid Hassan. We are habitual for these meetings in Sultani Palace. But why we make meetings in Sultani Palace? The time that we started working at Sultani Palace, somewhere we were missing some rules, we were missing some trainings, or we were missing some discipline, right or wrong? When we started to have the session like meeting session for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, so it improves our quality. For example, last time I told, if I commit any mistake yesterday during the operation hours, and in meeting if we couldn't discuss those points, that means we will never learn. If I make any mistake, I couldn't make meeting, I couldn't get training, I couldn't get solutions by my manager, supervisor or teammates, we can't learn, right or wrong. The purpose for the meeting is, and one more thing is, if I have any problem with any of the stuff, like he's having any problem with any of the stuff, or any personal problem, professional problem, if you can't come in the meeting, if you can't discuss, nobody will give you the solution, right? That is the only purpose that we create meetings, we make meetings, and we are habitual. From Sultani Palace, it's like the training school. Sultani Palace, we learn everything from Sultani Palace. And now, what I told you last time, if I learn something from Sultani Palace and I came to know, it's my responsibility to deliver that knowledge to the new buddies. Like these are the new buddies who are working with me, right? If I have learned something, it's my responsibility to spread that knowledge among my buddy mates, among my colleagues, until and unless I will not spread that knowledge, there is no meal. If Eddie knows, you are knowing a very good service. You are a very good order taker. You are a very good in service. You are a very good speaker. But if you can't share your knowledge with your colleagues, that means there is no need to have such information. If Zahidul, Rashidul, or any among them is working with you, he's making mistake, or he doesn't know about service, he doesn't know about cutlery, how to hold, how to put the setup, then it's your responsibility. Once teach him. We have to carry the cutlery like this, we have to put the setup like this, and by order taking, how many distance they're supposed to be from the table and the order taker. And at the right side, we have to take the order. At the right side, we have to give the bill form. At the right side, we have to make the service. And they're supposed to be the distance. These are some things that we have to coach our staff. We have to coach our juniors or buddy mates. Like they are your juniors, they are your buddy mates. It's your responsibility. Mark Ferrier, Elimar, Ronald, Victor, or Zubair, Zahid, Rashid. The people who worked with me there in Sultani Palace, I have a lot of expectation with you. Because you are the people who worked with me. And you are my family. These people, they are very new for me. And to train them, it takes a lot of time for me. But I already gave everything to you. What's the talent that I am having, I already shared that with Elimar, with Mark Ferrier. We were having some problem in the Egyptian. When we make meetings, we create the solution, right or wrong? These are the things, until and unless we do not make meeting, we don't do anything. Make meeting, train your staff. Now the schedule is rotational. The schedule is rotational weekly. And what I'm trying to make the schedule like the people, for example, this week, Misbah is working with you. Next week, another person, he will be with you, affiliated with you. As a senior, it's your responsibility to train them, to guide them. And one more, the most important point is, for example, we're having a table here. You make a very good service, it's fantastic. There's a good feedback that the customer is sharing. I know, and I know how you work. You go to the table at the last, how's the food, how's the service, because I know you, I know anyone is taking the feedback. While asking that, with the customer saying, yeah, it was outstanding, it was fantastic, it was gorgeous, everything is fine, sir. Please don't mind. So can you put your reviews there at the Google? Can you put can you make some comments for our restaurant? So this will also help us, because right now we are going down in the rating, and it's a competition right now. If you are working in a market, there's a competition. We have competitors. If people look towards this line, there are so many competitors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When the customer is going to any restaurant, he has to pay. Neither Noor, neither Sultani, neither Warak Al Tut, or any other restaurant. Because customer is paying at the end, right? There is no free. If there is no quality, there is no standard, so why the customer will come to Noor? There is no reason. Yes. if you will give something extra, it's extraordinary. If you will give something additional, a good service, a good feedback, a good welcome, yani going to the table, ask them their feedback, ask them about food. Sometimes the customer is having problem with the food. It's too much salty, for example. The steak is salty, the steak is well done. Okay, sir. Can I prepare this for one another time, or can I change this? These are the things. It can only be done when we will take feedback from the customer. If I take order, I serve, I make service, I go to the table for multiple times, sir, how's the food? Not multiple times. The rule is when the customer is eating, go to the table and ask at the beginning, sir, how is the food? All main course is now on the table, sir, how is the food? Do you like the food? If there is any problem, the customer, he will say, the steak, it's not well done. Okay, sir, I can change the steak, or I can make it well done. You can remove the food. And at the end, when the customer is finished, the cutlery is in egg shape, you go to the customer, sir, how was the food, how's the service, how's the beverage, and you take the feedback like this. Again, I am repeating, yani if we will work like this, that means there will be no problem. Or if there is any problem with the customer, he will never make any complaint. Because he knows, and he come to the table for multiple times, okay, I can ignore this problem, right or wrong? Right? समझ आया मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? मतलब इंग्लिश किसको जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ किस को समझ आता है? समझ आता है? ठीक है। यानी एलिमार मार्क ये वो बंदे हैं जिन्होंने मेरे साथ काम किया है। यानी जब मैं सुल्तानी में काम किया, मेरा एक रूल था, ये मजबूत, इसमें मेरे साथ काम किया। मीटिंग का मतलब क्या होता है? मीटिंग का मतलब है अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है, पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम, प्रोफेशनल प्रॉब्लम, यानी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, मीटिंग में हम बोल सकते हैं। अगर आपने कोई मिस्टेक किया कल, भाई तूने कल ये वाला मिस्टेक किया, मीटिंग में मैं आपको गाइड करूंगा कि हम हाउ वी कैन इग्नोर मिस्टेक्स, इसलिए हम मीटिंग बनाते हैं, ठीक है। जो सीनियर है, पहले until and unless in प्रोफेशनल लाइन इफ यू नॉट रेस्पेक्ट टू द सीनियर, देयर इज नो नीड। जो सीनियर है इनमें, जो आपका जो कैप्टन है, कैप्टन में काम करता है, इज हैविंग द पोजीशन, इज द सीनियर, सो इट्स आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू रेस्पेक्ट, क्योंकि उसका एक पोजीशन है और पोजीशन हासिल करने में इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू अचीव द पोजीशन, ठीक है। इसलिए पहले रेस्पेक्ट। दूसरा, अगर वो सीनियर आपका कोई भी है, वो बोल रहा है भाई ऐसे काम करना है, सीखना है, बिकॉज जब तक आप काम नहीं सीखोगे तो आप एक अच्छा प्रोफेशनल, एक अच्छा एम्प्लॉय बन सकते हो, ठीक है। यानी सीनियर से देखो सर्विस कैसे करते हैं, टेबल में जाना है कैसे जाना है, कस्टमर को बिल देना है कैसे देना होता है, कस्टमर को सर्विस करना है कैसे करना है, कस्टमर को फीडबैक मांगना है कैसे मांगना है। टेबल के पास अगर मैं किसी फूड रनर को बोलूँगा, या Saddam, he is not working in service, if I will ask Saddam, take this folder and go to the customer and take the bill, Saddam can do, sir. But there is a way, there is the professional way. If I will give food to Saddam and ask him to make service, Saddam can, what Saddam he will do, he will come with the food and put on the table, khalas. That's it, right or wrong? But that is not the way. If you are working as a captain waiter, if you are working as a waiter, it's not the right way. Because there is a standard, like how we have to present our dish, how we have to represent our dish on the table. There is a standard. If table is like, I'm having one main course in my hand and there is no space on the table, how I will present that main course to the customer? Sir, there is no space on the table. If you don't mind, can I make the service like we do in Sultani Palace? Take one like pound. Take pound and make the service class. Then it's a very simple way. कभी कभार टेबल पे जगह नहीं होता है, कस्टमर को बोलो सर मुझे जगह नहीं है, क्या मैं सर्विस कर सकता हूँ? सर्विस हमेशा, अगर ये टेबल है, ठीक है, ये टेबल है, इधर में 1 2 3 4 4 कस्टमर बैठा है, ठीक है। पहला रूल है कि left side say nobody will take the order from left side. It's not a rule. Nobody will come at the left side and he can ask anything. If you have to take the order, it's like anti-clockwise. ये आपका customer है. You will take order like this. There is a space. There is a space between you and table. Yes sir. And it's like attitude is the eye contact. You have to make eye contact with the customer. Yes sir, I'm taking your order. आप order ले रहे हैं, ठीक है। कस्टमर से आई कांटेक्ट है, बराबर है। बॉडी लैंग्वेज ऐसा नहीं है, या कभी कभार ये नहीं है, कभी कभार कोई मतलब लाइक यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट अ वेरी प्रॉपर बॉडी लैंग्वेज टू द कस्टमर, राइट और रॉन्ग? It's like this. This is a good position. You can take order. Okay, sir. Can I repeat your order? Yes. अब सर्विस करना है, कस्टमर इधर बैठा है, लेफ्ट साइड से सर्विस नहीं हो रही है. Nobody can make service from the left side. You have to make service. You have to come like this is the customer anti-clockwise. मैंने इसको सर्विस किया, then this one, then this one, then this one, and here you will complete your service that's done here, right? How, or even if you had to put the setup, sometimes how you make the setup, the 4 person are on the table. मैंने किसी को बोला सेटअप दे दो, वो जल्दी में आया, एक सेटअप इसको दे दिया, एक सेटअप ऐसे दिया, ऐसे दिया, ऐसे दिया. ये तरीका नहीं है. सेटअप है, सर्विस है, बेवरेज है, बिल है, राइट साइड रूल. इसको कहते हैं फिलिंग्स राइट हैंड रूल. ठीक है, राइट हैंड रूल चल रहा है इधर. सेटअप देना है ऐसे ही, यानी कि राइट साइड से, ये राइट साइड है मेरा, ठीक है, कस्टमर का राइट साइड से शुरू करना है. ये राइट साइड से आप आओगे, राइट साइड से लेफ्ट साइड पे ये खत्म हो जाता है, खलास, फिनिश, इट्स डन. अगर आप यहाँ से शुरू करोगे ना, एंड अगर कोई कस्टमर है, इफ देयर इज अ कस्टमर लाइक फॉरेनर, he will not let you go very easily because you make a wrong service on the table, right? अगर कोई फॉरेनर है ना टेबल पे, वो आप जाने नहीं देगा, वो कस्टमर कंप्लेंट करेगा, क्योंकि लेफ्ट हैंड रूल नहीं है, कुछ भी है राइट हैंड है. कस्टमर बिल फोल्डर मांग रहा है, बिल लेके जाना है, लेफ्ट हैंड से नहीं जाएगा कोई. सर दिस इज योर बिल, दिस इज योर फोल्डर. ये फोल्डर दे दिया, वापस ऐसे पोजीशन में आना है या वापस ये पोजीशन में आना है. नोबडी विल मेक लाइक दिस. यस यस सर, यस सर, यस सर, खलास. यानी यस, दिस इज आइडेंटिटी पोजीशन, दिस वन, यस सर. ठीक है, यानी ये रूल होता है. कटलरी है, कस्टमर बैठा, यानी कि डोंट लुक दैट कस्टमर इज वेल मेकिंग द ऑर्डर, देन ओनली वी विल ओपन द सेटअप until and unless there is no customer on the table, it's closed, it's a closed setup. कस्टमर बैठा, ठीक है, चाहे कस्टमर ऑर्डर करेगा नहीं करेगा, even outside there in the garden, customer is on the table, you have to put the setup, you have to put. कस्टमर बैठा है, सीधा excuse me sir, can I ask, take your permission, ask permission from the customer. Sometimes the customer don't allow you. No, don't open the setup. Right? Mark. Customer table पे बैठा है, sir, can I open the service? Yes, sure. Can I open the service, sir? Yes. So here's your menu. You can scan. This is the barcode. You can scan. You can use your cell phone. This is the menu for our restaurant. Anything else? My name is Mark Ferrier, and I will take care about this table, sir. I'm the captain over here. My name is Mark. I will take care about the table, sir. You will take your time until you make the order. I am here. Right or wrong? Yes, these are the things. Customer को बैठा है, sir, this is menu, sir. Halas. Customer doesn't know who is taking care about the table. Is he Mark? Is he Arimar? Is he Ronald? Is he Victor? Is he Zubair? Is he Arif? Who is there? The important is highlight your identity. Because if the customer is having to make any feedback, Arimar, he make a very good service on the table. Ali. And if it's possible, ask the name. If it's a gentleman, sir, may I know a good name? My name is Arif. Also. Yani, you can use the name of the customer. You can use, hello Mr. Arif, this is your menu. Mr. Arif, this is your food. My name is Arimar. May I know a good name, sir? My name is Arif. Nice to meet you, sir. I will take care about the table. I am the captain for the section. Right? Yani, these are the things that we have to learn. And I'm sure that, yani, it's like, it's not that rocket science that we couldn't do. It's on the normal, it's on the daily basis. I'm doing this job every day, right or wrong. So it's not very difficult for me. But what is missing? The practice. Until and unless we will not practice, we can't learn. If we will make practice, 100% we will learn the new things. So, being the senior, being the person who worked with me in Sultani Palace, again, I'm requesting you. If you have knowledge, share your knowledge. If you have experience, share your experience. Until and unless you will not share your experience, the new buddy mates, they can't learn because they don't know anything. Yani, I have been working here since maybe 2 weeks. I was carrying the data like what's missing, then I highlight the points. This one is missing, training is missing. Yani, attentiveness is missing, cleanliness is missing. Opening, closing checklist is missing, then I make the points. This was all about for today, and inshallah we will make these meetings possibly on every day. Fine? Anything? Any question? Any question? Anything wrong about the meeting? Thank you for your time. Thank you so much.